Hi everyone, today I want to share with you how I pickle lettuce. This recipe is very traditional old-fashioned way and it tastes very similar to kimchi. There are a few ingredients that you'll need. I'm using 1.5 pounds of lettuce, 3 medium-sized carrot, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. There's really no right way to cut the lettuce, but I'm gonna slice mine in 1-inch thin sticks. Shred the carrot on the bigger hole. And once you're done chopping the carrots and lettuce, simply squeeze these two vegetables together. You want to get them moist and get some juice out. And here I have 3.5-liter jar, and I'll simply add some salt and sugar and layer lettuce in between. So we do sugar, salt, and then 2-3 inches of lettuce, and repeat this again and again until you're done with all the ingredients. I'm using a wooden stick to help me press the lettuce in the jar to make more room. And once I'm done with all the vegetables, I'll give it another last good press. And it's always a good idea to put the jar in some container because the juice might spill out, so that's what you want to do. We want to get as much juice out from the lettuce, so I'm using a cup filled with water and that will be pressing against the vegetables. You can also use water bottle or something else. You do want to cover it with something, but keep the airflow coming. This fermenting process will take 72 hours. As you can see now, there's not much juice, but for the next 3 days, we'll try to get more juice out by pressing against the lettuce and releasing the gas. So you can see right now the juice is filling about 1/3 of the jar. I let it stand for 24 hours in my kitchen room temperature, and this is day 2. And we will release the gas by getting a stick and poking through the lettuce as far as you can. And you want to do this all over the edges. Now give it a good press to release as much juice as you can. And you can see now we have much more juice, and this is 24 hours since we started the process. Cover it and let it stand for another 24 hours in room temperature. This is day 3. Repeat the same steps. Release the gas with the stick and press against the lettuce to release more juice. Cover it again and let it stand for another 24 hours. And this is 72 hours later. The lettuce is finally ready. This type of pickled lettuce needs to be refrigerated, but it's good to be eaten for a month or even more. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you again soon.